Welcome to MGR Limited. We deliver services of training services and consultants and the following services: and taxation, EBM usage in Rwanda, the accounting, auditing, corporate management, and financial management. In all services said above, we do the training, we provide the sufficient skills about all the topics, and also we do consultants and we deliver services, the government services through the portal that is called Irembo. Our office address is Kigali, Rwanda, Gasabo ni Gachiriro Business Center in NEZA Plaza Buildings, second floor, room F205. MGI mobile number that you can use to reach the office or to get the services through online. You can call or send an SMS or WhatsApp SMS or calls through 078 494 2155. I repeat, 078 494 2155. For those who are outside the country, you can start with plus 250 784 942 155. Our job is training services and consultants, as I have said, on taxes, EBM usage, accounting, audit, corporate management, and we provide Irembo services. In our sessions that will be provided in the episode, we will start by the taxation in Rwanda. The classification of taxes in Rwanda are in two main categories: the domestic taxes and import duties. From the domestic taxes, we will see the decentralized taxes and central taxes. In the import duties, we will define and explain the import duties. In the domestic withholding taxes, on customs during the importation. All the trainings that we will provide in taxation will be based in the laws. We will provide trainings on each and every law from the Article 1 up to the end. And then we take the second law. And so on up to the end of taxation laws in Rwanda. The first law that we will discuss, 048/2023 of 5th September 2023, determining the source of revenue and the property of decentralized entities. Law number 2 is law number 049/2023 of 5th September 2023, establishing the value-added tax. Who is eligible to pay value-added tax, at what rate of tax, and when, which period, using which systems, up to the payment model. We will see the law number 050/2023 of 5th September 2023, establishing the excise duty. And also, we will discuss on law number 027/2022 of 20th October 2022, law establishing taxes on income. After that, we will see law number 2023 of 5th September 2023, amending law number 027/2022 of 20th October 2022, law establishing taxes on income. We will explain how two different laws are applied at the same time. It means that the laws that have been changed in the second law will not be used in the application of law that establishing the taxes on the income. Law number 020/2023 of 31st March 2023 on tax procedures. Who pays the tax, when, how, at which process. And also we will discuss on law number 006/2021 of 5th February 2021 on investment promotion and facilitation, which is called the investment incentives for all investors that meet all requirements for the incentives. And also we end up with, if there is no change in laws up to our episode, is the law number 056/2024 of 26th June 2024, establishing tax on minerals. And also, by the end of that, we will discuss on customs duty, which procedure of importation, and which rate on general goods, and also to the different goods and services that will be imported after the end of understanding the process and the procedure. It is called the East African Community Customs Management Act 2004, revised edition 2018. Coming to the domestic taxes, we will discuss on the centralized taxes. As I have said before, we will see the taxes that are collected on the decentralized level. There are 4 types of taxes. The first is trading license tax. 2, rental income tax. 3 is a property tax. 5 is a tax on sale of movable property. Then the second category in domestic taxes is the central taxes that are collected on the national level. We receive the income tax, pay as you earn, capital gain tax, gaming tax, value added tax, and the withholding taxes on the income tax, and also the excise tax, which is called the consumption tax. And also we will discuss, or we will provide trainings in our offices of training center, where we address you or through this YouTube channel in the episode for those who will not be eligible to reach to our training center. We provide the EBM usage training on what is the EBM solutions, who is eligible to use an EBM, means eligibility for EBM usage, and tax effect. It means the EBM usage vis-a-vis taxation. And also we discuss on RSSB contributions for those who will engage or for the employment of employees, the mandatory contributions, and also others which are paid up to the agreement between RSSB and the employers. We will see the pension contribution, maternity leave contribution, community-based health insurance, and also medical insurance. This was the introduction to our courses that will be provided through this YouTube channel and also to our offices. We will begin for the next episode by the differentiation between taxes and fees, and also elaborate or teaching to everybody who start a business in Rwanda how to register a business, where and how. So this is our introduction. Please submit your comment, or you can address your issues or queries through the mobile phone that we have provided to you during the beginning of this session. Thank you. It's an next to see you.